Acid reflux advice that will help alleviate your symptoms. When you are suffering with acid reflux, it may seem like there is no help in sight. Thankfully, there are answers to your problems, and they can be found within this video. Many tips and tricks for placating your suffering are available below, so read on to find out more. Opt for lean meats and food that does not have a lot of fat in it. If you indulge in greasy foods, like French fries, you are more likely to suffer from acid reflux. Try tracking your food for a week and seeing what triggers your heartburn. Adjust your diet accordingly. After you take a bite or two, put down your fork. This ensures you are chewing fully and truly slowing down while you eat. Consider what this bite tastes like, and what was different than the last bite. Enjoy the texture of the food both when it first enters your mouth, and once you are done chewing. Limit your liquid intake with meals if you're prone to acid reflux. Even healthy beverages like water can fill up your stomach fast, creating conditions that are conducive to acid reflux. Sip your beverage conservatively and never gulp it down. Wait a half an hour after a big meal to enjoy quenching your thirst. To get good sleep each night, use a wedge under the mattress of your bed so that your head is in the raised position. You can do a variety of things to help elevate the mattress. Electronically controlled beds are optimal to use if you want to do this. With all of this great information at hand, you should be ready to tackle your acid reflux. This means taking control of your life and telling the acid to stay where it belongs. Start today and look forward to a happier, healthier future thanks to putting your condition to rest. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.